Welcome to a video. It is Coach MJ, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the shoulder press machine. So over here we are at Anytime Fitness, and the way that they adjust their benches is simply you press on this. This allows you to bring it down. Really important that the handles are at the same height as your shoulders. So I adjusted the bench to where it is roughly the same height. I can actually move it up just a bit. There we go. Then we're going to place our hands in a comfortable position. We want our elbows to be aligned with our wrists. Okay, so we don't want the elbows too far out, too far back. So perfectly aligned just like that. Back is on the bench, head is on the bench just like that. And then we're going to press up and go back down. We want to go back down to roughly where our ears are. Just like that. Nice, slow, and controlled the whole time. Make sure you're breathing while you're doing this as well. So you can take a breath at the bottom, push out at the top. And that is how you do the seated shoulder press.